Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. We are outside the Walgreens today, and I was having problems with the Walgreens coupons this morning, so it's a little later than I wanted to come, but I wanted to hopefully let the coupons start working or attaching to things, and it looks like they have, but I guess we'll have to see it when I check out. But there's a printable breakdown just in case you do want to take it to the store with you or check it out. There's a subscribe button down below in case you're not currently subscribed. I'd love to have you as part of the channel, but without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. So first things first, check your store. There's tons of Cetaphil that is 50% off. So if you like Cetaphil facial stuff, check your store. Like $9.50, $8. The bars, $3. This advanced lotion, $9. We have the skin activator, $6.30, or this vitamin C serum, just $12.50. Now I did scan a couple of random ones and I don't see any coupons for them, so this is something that you'd have to keep an eye out, or if you have any special rebates or only for you coupons that might work for these. We have a super hot deal on Olay Body Care this week. They're on promotion for buy 3, get $5 in register rewards. And like I said last week, not always do the tags reflect that promotion or the specific promotion, but that's the promotion according to the ad. So the first product you're going to grab is one of the regular body washes that are $8. Then you're going to grab one of the Ribbons body washes for $8. Lastly, you're going to come grab one of the bar soaps that are $8 for your third and final product. Grabbing these 3 products, your total will be $24. We have a $5 digital coupon to use at checkout, so you'll be left to pay $19 at the register. We'll give a $5 register reward for buying 3, plus we're going to take our receipt and submit it to Ibotta. We have a $1.50 back on the bar soap, a $1.50 back on the Ribbon body wash, and a $1.50 back on the regular body wash. It is a limit of 1 on each one, that's why we're grabbing 3 different items, but it will make all 3 of these products just $9.50. Axe body wash is on promotion for buy one get one 50% off. There's no other promotion going for this deal, so there's no rewards coming back, so you can do this online if you want, but grabbing 2 of them, one at full price, one at 50% off, will be $8.98. We have a $5 digital coupon, making them $3.98 for both. We have an okay deal on Dial body wash. This isn't the best deal, but this is a great way to save on products that you like if this is a brand you like. Dial body wash is on promotion for buy 2, get $2 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $4 each. Grab your 2 favorite ones for a total of $8. We have a $1 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $7 at the register. Get the $2 register reward for buying 2, making them $5 for both. Now I wanted to do the Dove deal, but I can't. There's a $4 digital coupon and I cannot get it to work. So we are going to be passing on the Dove deal, but maybe later in the week it will actually work. We have our normal deal on Shea Moisture or Nexus products. They're on promotion for spend $20, get $10 in register rewards. And the normal products are $11. The kids products are $10. If you grab 2 of the regular products, your total will be $22. We have a $5 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay us $17 at the register. Get the $10 register reward for spending $20, making them $7 for both. Or if you prefer, you can grab the Nexus products. The cheaper Nexus products are $16, so you'll grab 2 of them for $32. We do have a $9 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $23 at the register. We'll get the $10 register reward for buying or spending the $20, make them $13 for both. Now, I think that's a phenomenal Saga price, especially if you like Nexus brand products. Another pretty decent deal on hair care is Head & Shoulders. They're on promotion for buy 2, get $4 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $7. Grab your 2 favorite ones, including all these different 2-in-1s. Your total will be $14. We have a $3 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $11 at the register. Get the $4 register reward for buying 2, making them $7 for both, or buy one get one free. The last hair care deal is going to be on the Dove hair care. They're on promotion for buy 2, get $4 in register rewards, and they're on sale for it's the $5, not $7. You'll grab your 2 favorite ones for a total of $10. We do have a $4 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $6 at the register. Get the $4 register reward for buying 2. Make them $1 per bottle. I was going to grab these, but unfortunately, the bond strength that I normally grab is out of conditioner. Like, there's 4 shampoos, but there's no conditioners, which is usually really rare because the store usually only has conditioners left because everyone grabs the shampoo. So I wonder what's up with that. So I'm gonna try this deal out. I don't know if it's gonna work. Someone posted this on Instagram, printed off as like one of the flyer things that they have, like not a coupon, but like when you get your register rewards, they have those flyers that print out. So they posted a picture of that. So it says spend 30 on Oral-B or Crest. You'll get a $10 register reward. So I'm gonna try that. These are the products I'm gonna do because it includes 2 different deals. So grabbing all of these products. So for these ones and this one is just an extra product, but these are on promotion for spend or buy 3 get $5 in register rewards. If you do have the $5 digital coupon, you can use that, but I don't. Then the Crest Brilliance is on sale for spend 14 get $7 in register rewards, and it is $15.99. So grabbing all of these products without this one will not be enough. So you need to grab a $4 toothpaste or a $4 product. So grabbing all of these, my total will be $30.49. And for the Brilliance, we do have a $4 digital coupon. So I'll pay $26.49 at the register. Then we're going to get back a total of $7 for buying the Brilliance, $5 for buying all of 3 toothbrushes, and hopefully the $10 register reward for spending 30, making them all $4.49. So if it works out, I'll include this clip. Otherwise, if it doesn't, then I won't. Y'all, I even found a tag for it, so I'm sure this deal is going to go through, so let's just hope. This week's select Colgate products are on promotion for buy 2, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $5.50. You're going to grab a total of 2 of the Colgate Total toothpaste. Your total will be $11. You have a $3 digital coupon for one and a $2 digital coupon for the second one. You'll be left to pay $6 at the register, get the $5 register reward for buying 2, making them $1 for both. There are other coupons out there if you want to grab like the toothbrushes and the toothpaste instead. These cute candles are 50% off. The label reminds me of like the Smucker's jars. I don't know why, but I don't do candles, but I don't know, $6.50 for candle. I don't think that's that bad. A really good deal is the Arm & Hammer. They're on sale for just $1.99. There's no digital coupons needed. You can grab the liquids, you can grab the scent boosters, or you can grab the power packs. Just grab as many as you like. We have a really decent deal on the all free and clear products if that's a brand you like. They're on promotion for buy one get one free, and they're $8.99. I know that's a little expensive. You're going to grab 2 different products. So you're going to grab the Mighty Packs, then you're going to grab the free and clear liquid or the sensitive fresh, or you're going to grab like 2 of the liquids, but you'll grab 2 of them. There's no digital coupons, so you pay that $8.99 at the register. Then you're going to take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta. We have $1 back for the Mighty Packs, $1 back on the original liquid, or the sensitive fresh actually has $1 back, which is unusual, really. So since you're grabbing 2 different products, you'll get 2 different rebates. So you'll get a total of $2 back from Ibotta, making them $6.99 for both. PureX products are also buy one get one free. They're also $8.99. You'll grab 2 of them for $8.99. Unfortunately, there's no coupons or there's no rebates back, so they'll both be just $8.99. We have an easy beginner-friendly digital deal that no coupons are required for to score this deal. So it's on products that are on promotion for $10. So you're going to mix and match, or you can grab 4 of the same items, and your total will be just $10. So some of the first products you can grab are the single count of the Febreze Air. You can also grab the single counts of the Febreze bathrooms or the single count of the Febreze car. The Downy Unstoppable trial size is included, or we have Again, a dryer sheet that's included. Or if you need some detergent, the all Tide Simply products are also included. But like I said, grab your 4 favorite products. It could be all the same one if that's what you want to do, and it'll be just $10. This week's select products are on promotion for buy 4, get $2 in register rewards. And the best, well, not the best way, but here's one of the ways you can do this deal. You're going to grab the Dawn Power Wash that's on sale for $4.99, and you're going to grab 2 of them. Next, you're going to come grab a Febreze refill for $5.49. Lastly, you're going to grab a Febreze twin pack of the bathroom that's on sale for $5.49. Grabbing these 4 products, your total will be $20.96. For the Dawn Power Wash, we have a $2 off of 2 digital coupon. For the Febreze plug, we have a $2 coupon. And for the Febreze bathroom, we have a $3 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $13.96 at the register. We'll get the $2 register reward for buying 4, making them $11.96 for all 4. Now, if you did get the PG insert coupons, the little flyer that was mailed out, we do have a $2 off of 1 for the power wash. So if you can find a 4th item that you can use a coupon for, that might be cheaper. Or if you got more than 1 of the flyers, you can use 2 different $2 digital or paper coupons. But this, like I said, this is just one way you can do this deal. And it makes them less than $3 a piece, which I think is a stock up price. Y'all, I got the hiccups right now, and it's the worst time to try to record when you have the hiccups. I think they're finally gone. But if you could drop a like or a hype this video up, it definitely help. And if you're not currently subscribed, and if you find me helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's completely free. But on to our next deal. The Charmin or Bounty Essentials are on promotion for buy 2, get $3 in register rewards. And they're on sale for $4.99. So you can grab either of the toilet paper, or you can grab the 4 equals 8 Bounty Essentials that is part of this deal. But if you grab one of each, the toilet paper and the paper towel, your total will be $9.98. We have a $1 digital coupon for the toilet paper, and if you haven't used it yet, there's an older digital coupon for the Bounty Essentials paper towel. That means you'll be left to pay $7.98 at the register. We'll get the $3 register reward for buying 2, making them $4.98 for both. Y'all, this is the cheapest days this deal gets. The Walgreens brand storage baggies, just 88 cents a box. I preach all the time about how great these are. I use them at my house. I definitely think that they're worth the 88 cents. For soda deals this week, we have Mountain Dew for 2 for $12.99 or Dr. Pepper 3 for $15.99. Coke and Sprite products are buy 2, get 1 free, mix and match, but you'll grab a total of 3 of them for $23.98. Alright guys, we're back in from checkout, and I did 2 separate transactions just to make sure that the Crest deal would work out, or I could just easily avoid that transaction. But like I said, I found a tag for it, so yeah. Anyway, so I grabbed for the first transaction, I grabbed the Olay and the Bounty and the Charmin deal. So that's what I grabbed. So for register rewards, I rolled a $3 and an old $8 one. I don't know, I said old, but so for digital coupons, we have the $5 for the Olay, and then I had $1 for the Bounty and $1 for the Charmin. Like I said, the Bounty Essential digital coupon is older. I don't remember how old it is, to be quite honest, but if you haven't used it, it should be on your account if you clipped it. Oopsies. My subtotal was $15.98. I did roll $10 in Walgreens cash, so I technically only swiped my card for $5.98 for this transaction. Then I submitted to Ibotta, where I forgot to take a screenshot, but I did get $4.50 for each of the Olay. So it made this receipt $1.48. Then I did get the $5 register reward for the Olay, and then the $3 register reward for the Charmin and the Bounty. Then for the next transaction, I did the deal exactly how I showed you guys. I grabbed the 3 Oral-B toothbrushes, the toothpaste, and then the Crest Brilliance. So I didn't have any more register rewards to roll, so the only thing that came off was the $4. My subtotal was $26.49. Yep, $26.49. I did roll $20 in Walgreens cash on this one. I didn't have any spend boosters this week, but I did receive the $7 register reward for spending $14. I did receive the $5 register reward for buying 3 products. Then I did receive the $10 register reward for spending $30. Now, unfortunately, this does expire on 10/19. It is 3 days away. And then the other 2 expire on the 21st, which is, 5 days away? So you can't hold on to them till next week. You'll have to do at least 2 more deals. You'll have to roll them into other promotions or other deals, but that's okay. Just how it works. But anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.